Hi my friend, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a spring eye look, and this palette is avocado toast from BH Cosmetic. Yeah, so this is from BH Cosmetic. These are the color, and I'm going to play in a little bit of green today on my eyes and see how it does come out after. So if you're new here, welcome, and God bless you so much for stopping by my channel. So if you want to see this eye look, you guys continue watching, my friend. So I have some brush in front of me here. You know guys, I don't know what's going on with me because the energy that I usually have to upload video, it's taken away. I'm not that energized like one time, but I'm gonna try still. So this is a green here that I have, and I am going to apply, see if I can apply this green to the lid of my eyes, and I'm just gonna apply the whole of the green to my eyes. You know, spring is around the corner, so you know I can't wait for summer to come because I need a little sun in my body. You know, I need to get outside without wearing a jacket or a hoodie or something. That's what I feel. So this is how it's coming off. You know guys, I have this palette for a while. BH Cosmetic was something that I really loved one time, and I would buy it. You guys don't afraid of color, just use color. If you have color and color is something that you love, use it. Don't afraid of color, my friend. Trust me when I say that, don't afraid of color. So I am going to go in this other color right here, and then just apply some of it here.